welcome to my channel again. And today I want to show you how you edit your how to edit your channel art in your YouTube channel, and how to bring the clickable social media icon that would appear on your channel art. So first step you need to do is log in your YouTube account. You need to log in your YouTube account in your Chrome or on your browser. And now you can see I already have my channel art that appears on my YouTube channel profile. And I already have my channel art. So if you want to edit your channel art, or you want to put your channel art, just click your this button, and then the pen like button would appear on the right side. Just this one pen like button, and you need to click that one, and edit links and edit channel art would appear. And if you want to edit your channel art, you just click that edit channel art, and now there it gives you the option to choose which channel art or picture you want to put in there. Select a photo from your computer, or any means of documents you want to get your photo. So make sure the size of the photo is 2560 by 1440, or a maximum file size is 6 MB, so at least it would fit in your channel art. So now you click that one, and it gives you the option if you want to take the photo on the spot. You can use your camcorder or your camera. And if you want to take a photo from your gallery, just click the documents, and you can choose photo that you wanted to put as your channel art, and then just click the finish or done. If you already choose, it would upload, and then it would appear like this one, like in my just this one. This is my channel art, so it would appear like that. And now I'm gonna show you how to add the clickable links of social media icon to appear on your channel art, just like this YouTube. I already put the YouTube and Facebook, and that was the clickable link I put in there. So if you want to put your social media accounts for your viewers to easily reach you, so if they see your channel art, it would be easier for them to just click that button and then go directly to your YouTube account or your Facebook account, Facebook page, or even your Twitter account or Instagram. You can just put it there. So you need to click the edit links. After clicking the edit links, you can see at the bottom part, as you can see on the bottom part of the about info of your channel, you can see the links, customized links, where you can put your links, the links of your social media account you wanted to add for your channel art to appear at the bottom of your channel art. So here, if you want to add maybe your YouTube or your Facebook page or your Twitter, you can just click the customized links and click the add. Because I already put the YouTube and my Facebook links in there. If you want to add more of the links, you just click the add, and then as you see, there is link title, maximum of 30 characters. Just type, you can type YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can just type it there, the name of the social media account you want to add, and then just copy the link of that just copy the link of your social media account and put it in the URL. So here, so this side you can just put the link, and if you are done, you just click the done button, and in everything, as you see in the links, I already have the YouTube and the Facebook as it is appearing on the top in my right side of my channel art. So if you see my channel art, I already get the YouTube and Facebook link in there, so it is clickable. The YouTube also is clickable. The viewers, my viewers, can just click that one, and it goes directly to my YouTube account. As you see, all my videos are all there. They would go directly to my videos and then watch whichever they wanted. And if they want also to check my Facebook account, there, it is easier for them to just reach me on Facebook account for anyone, they want anything they wanted to see on my Facebook account. So that's how you put your links and how you edit your channel art, so it would be easier for your viewers, because the importance of this one is it's easier for your viewers to reach your channel and find which what videos they wanted to watch, and easier for them to just scroll down and check on the uploaded videos you have in your YouTube channel and in your Facebook page. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I do hope you learned something today. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you will keep updated for the next videos I upload on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching.